first ever episode of the Everything Unboxing channel. Yes, that's correct. In this channel, we are going to unbox absolutely everything. Everything that the good old e-commerce website sent to us, and quite a few paid items as well. So, if you haven't already subscribed, which I saw on the internet, which you can see on the screen here, it's from the Banggood website. It's called a Jjrc Q125 2.4 gigahertz MPV drift van. Now, what caught my eye at first was, firstly, this thing is ready to run. Secondly, it looks cool as hell. Right, it looks cool as hell there. So you can imagine what it's going to look like in the box. Anyway, so without further ado, let's get to it. Boom! And there she is, ladies and gentlemen. Right, I personally ordered this from the Banggood website. This took probably 2-3 weeks, something like that. At first, these are one of the brand new products on Banggood. So at first, this was actually under restock. To them, they said it was under restock, and surprisingly, it was supposed to ship about a week later, but I got it a week early. So Banggood, thanks so much for that. Anyway, guys, here it is. It's ready to run. It has LED lights. You can do 360 rotations in it. It's got two kinds of tires, right? It's omnidirectional, so left, right, backwards, forwards. It has 4-wheel drive, of course, the best, and of course a 2.4 gigahertz radio. And it's supposed to be ready to run and come with everything. The box that I got, as you can see, it's a little bit beaten up, but let's find out what's inside. Alright, so immediately as you open the box, there's a nice little cover there saying Thunder. Also a little bit beaten up, but let's take a look. Oh, dude. Okay, so firstly, we've got an instruction manual here. Secondly, whoa. Guys, this thing is a lot bigger than I expected it to be. That is pretty cool. That's quite impressive, actually. I'm really pleased with that. It's got a decent weight to it. What it has is you actually got clips on the body here. When you open this for the first time, the body shell, be careful, because there are LED lights in the front and one at the back under there. So, of course, the LED lights are plugged into the main body. So if you're gonna take the body shell off too quickly, you may snap the wires. So just remember that there is a wire attached that also connects to the body. So don't be too violent when you take the body off. Right, it's got a decent weight to it. It's got a built-in battery. Let's see what else is in it. All right, here we go. Here is the radio control. Right, not too heavy. It's a little bit plasticky. Doesn't feel too expensive, but then again, I mean, for 148 PLN, which is Polish zloty, I think that's about $30-40 or something. I mean, you can't expect too much. Right, next. There we go. So, here is the pack of tires. You get some screws in there, you get a screwdriver tool, and you get your USB charger. Let's take that out. Alright, USB charger, super simple. Apparently it takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge, and you get about 20 minutes of run time out of it. This tool, it comes with it if you don't have other tools. If you have a better tool than this, use that rather, because the screws on the wheels can be a bit finicky. Alright, so the two kinds of tires you get. One set, you will see, has tread on it. Right, if you're using this set, it's not going to drift as much. It's, going to be pretty controllable, right? I would say these are probably the off-road tires, if you will, if you're going to drive it outside or construction site. All I've been doing is driving it inside. Luckily, I have tiled floor, so this thing slides like an absolute animal. It's fantastic. Right, as I said, I couldn't believe the size of this thing when I first saw it. You get 4 tires on the car. These ones come on the car as it arrives with the tread, and then you get the slick tires in the packet. So I've already changed over to the slick tires because I couldn't wait. and I wanted to start drifting. So there it is. As I said, guys, you know, it's a cheap machine. You know, don't expect sort of Traxxas quality or Tamiya or something like that. It is a cheap toy. So remote is pretty simple: forward, backward, left steer, right steer, and then you get a button on the remote over there, which you can control the LEDs with. All right, let's take the body off and take a look inside quickly. As I said, remember, there's a wire somewhere in here. This is the wire that I'm talking about. So if you're gonna yank the body off that wire, your LEDs are not gonna be working for long. So we've got the wire here, we've got the battery and the connector in here, which I've already plugged in. And that's pretty much it. Everything's pretty enclosed. Nothing's too exposed. So this thing, I'm telling you, it is pulling off these magnificent drifts. I'm telling you, if you've got literally $30, $40 hanging around, get one of these. It'll change your life. It is brilliant, brilliant little toy. Okay, so just to show you the basic functions, under the car, you've got an adjuster for steering alignment. Of course, if it veers to the left or veers to the right, you can adjust this to have a more straighter line. You've also got the power switch under here. As per Jjrc, they recommend to firstly turn on the controller. With your controller, you are going to need 2 AA batteries. All right, and this will last for a long time. As you can see, it's a 2.4 gigahertz channel there. And, well, look here, of course, it's not going to be built for range, right? You're drifting, so I haven't tested any range yet, which we shall get to. So first, remote on, light starts flashing vigorously, then the car goes on. And as you switch the car on, the remote lights will go solid red. All right, so are we? Yes. So I quite enjoy the lights on this thing actually, especially when you're drifting in the dark. It looks really, really cool. So you get 3 light modes. One is off, right? The next one, that has a red ring and a white light shining through it. So you've got like almost like these devil eyes. Next one is just the red rings. That looks very cool. I really like that mode. And thirdly, then you just get the white lights, just the high beams. All right, you also get an LED at the back. That never really changes color, that just stays the same. And once again, yeah, it's 4-wheel drive. It drifts like a machine. I tell you what, take a look at these videos. right, people, so how cool was that, right? Like I said, it's not a Traxxas, it's not a Timea or, you know, something really expensive and big like that, but it is a decent size. You know, I really didn't expect this size for such a cheap toy. Just to give you an example of the size of it, there is a keyboard, and that's the size of it. Or maybe I should put it next to my head. So with the instructions or the manual, you get a Chinese version and you get an English version. So there's really not much to it. As I said, it's super easy to use. You don't have to pair anything. It's literally plug and play. What you do as you get it out of the box, connect your charger, pop your charger into the PC, wait. I think mine took 1.5 hours, maybe 2 hours. They recommend about 2 to 3 hours. And yeah, you've got a whole little setup guide here. This takes literally about 5 minutes to read. Not even, sorry, 3 minutes to read this. And it just gives you some helpful tips on battery storage and charging and, you know, start the remote first and then the car and so on and so on. So just a bit of, you know, usage. This thing is absolutely fantastic. You cannot go wrong. You can get it from the Banggood website. As you can see over here, they've got awesome deals happening all the time. Right, this actually, I believe, was retailing for 200, but I've bought a few things from Banggood before, and they have a really good points and reward system. So every time you buy something, you get points and rewards, which you can use to discount your next purchase. So this retails for 208 zloty, still, as I said, $40, 30 something dollars. All right, but I managed to get it for 148.79 cents, right, which is cheap as hell. You can't even buy a pair of shoes for that. So this is exactly what caught my eye at first. Firstly, I thought it looked cool as hell, because it does. Just look at that. And you don't really have many other drift vans out there. So as soon as I saw this thing, bang, immediately I was like, hell, it's cheap as chips, I'm having it. It's one of the best purchases I have ever made. So thank you very much to Banggood, firstly for selling this thing, and secondly for getting it to me in record time. You guys rock. Absolutely awesome. That's it for this episode. I hope you liked my unboxing video. Once again, like the video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more really cool content.